I'm going through a hardship, and right now it's all dark. I'm going through a difficulty, and right now it's all bad. That's actually incorrect. It's never all dark, and it's never all bad at any point in time, ever. Nobody has it all dark, and nobody has it all bad, because Allah says that with the hardship is ease, plural, by the way. So usr is singular, so one single hardship that you have is accompanied with many eases or blessings. What it means is that at every point in time, no matter how hard your life gets, Allah at the same time gives you a lot of blessings. And it's always at the same time. I'm so amazed at how many times, and you guys will probably notice this in life too, how many times I've heard about people who have a very happy occasion in their life. They just got married. They just had a child. And almost at the same time, someone they love dies. Anyone? Almost at the same time. I've heard this over and over and over. And a lot of people might look at that and say, why did that have to ruin it? Right? You know what? I just got married. Why did my father have to die? Or why did my sister have to? They feel that it ruined it. But you know what? That's not what Allah's saying. Allah's telling us, Inna ma'al usri yusra. Let me show you a different way to look at it. With the hardship is the eases, plural. Meaning that Allah gave you those children. Allah gave you that spouse in order to help you cope with the hardship that was written for you.